how to do things. Ahoy, adventurers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to embark on an exciting journey into the world of sailing and learn how to sail a sailboat. Whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your skills, this in-depth guide will take you through every aspect of sailing. So, grab your sea legs and let's set sail. Before we begin, let's familiarize ourselves with the various parts of a sailboat. First, we have the mast, which is the vertical spar that holds up the sails. Attached to the mast is the boom, a horizontal spar that helps control the shape of the mainsail. The sails, including the mainsail and jib or genoa, catch the wind and propel the boat forward. The rudder, located at the stern of the boat, is used to steer and control the direction. And finally, we have the sheets, which are lines used to trim or adjust the sails. Now that we know the basics, let's move on to preparing for a sail. Before setting sail, it's crucial to check the weather conditions. Look for the wind direction and strength, as well as any potential storms or adverse conditions. This information will help you plan your route and ensure a safe and enjoyable sail. Safety should always be a top priority. Conduct a thorough safety check before leaving the dock. Ensure that you have enough life jackets for everyone on board, check the navigation lights, inspect the rigging, and make sure all essential equipment, such as fire extinguishers, first aid kits, and distress signals, are readily available. Now, let's hoist the sails and get ready to catch the wind. Start by releasing the sail ties or covers and unfurl the mainsail. Attach the halyard to the head of the sail and use a winch or a halyard line to hoist the sail up the mast. Make sure the sail is properly raised and secure, and adjust the halyard tension to achieve the desired sail shape. Next, unfurl the jib or genoa. Release the sheets that hold the sail in place and let it catch the wind. Adjust the jib sheet tension to achieve proper sail trim. To sail effectively, you need to understand the different points of sail. First, we have in irons, which is when the boat is directly into the wind and the sails luff. To get out of this position, turn the boat away from the wind and allow the sails to fill. Next, we have close-hauled, where the boat is sailing as close to the wind as possible. This is when the sails are trimmed in tightly, and the boat is typically at a slight angle to the wind. Then, we have reaching, where the boat is sailing at an angle to the wind, with the wind coming from the side. This is a fast and exhilarating point of sail. Finally, we have running, where the wind is coming from directly behind the boat. In this position, the sails are eased out, and the boat can pick up speed. Now, let's learn how to change direction using tacking and jibing. Tacking is a maneuver used to change direction when sailing upwind. To tack, turn the bow of the boat through the wind, allowing the sails to shift from one side to the other. This changes your course while maintaining forward momentum. Jibing, on the other hand, is used when sailing downwind. It involves turning the stern of the boat through the wind, with the sails shifting from one side to the other. Remember to be cautious while jibing, as the boom can swing across the deck. When sailing, it's important to navigate properly and make use of navigational aids. Study the charts and understand the markers, buoys, and other aids to navigation. They will guide you and help you navigate safely. Be aware of any obstacles or hazards in the water and adjust your course accordingly. Additionally, using electronic navigation tools such as GPS and chart plotters can greatly enhance your ability to navigate accurately and efficiently. Lastly, let's talk about responding to emergencies while sailing. In case of an emergency, it's important to remain calm. Have a plan in place for emergencies such as man-overboard situations, equipment failures, or adverse weather conditions. Know how to use the radio to call for assistance if needed, and always keep safety as the top priority. Congratulations! You've learned the essentials of sailing a sailboat. I hope this in-depth guide has provided you with the knowledge and confidence to embark on your own sailing adventures. Remember to always practice safe boating practices, continue learning, and enjoy the beauty of the open waters. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting boating content. Fair winds and happy sailing!